So today we're going to do a test review. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at how to do a translation. So translation is to shift or slide our picture. So we're going to slide our picture 4 units to the left and 3 units down. So we have to move each of these ordered pairs with the letter, and we make sure that we write the letter when we move them. So Y is 4 units left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 units down is here. So there's Y prime. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, so this is X prime. W is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and 1, 2, 3 down, so there's W prime. And Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, so there is Z prime. After you have your shape translated, you're going to draw or connect your dots. And then the last step is to write down your ordered pairs of your new shape. So X prime is at negative 1, 2, 3, 0. Y prime is at negative 4, negative 1. Z prime is at negative 4, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. And W prime is at negative 1, negative 1. Okay, then there's this kind of translation, which is the same thing, but this is written in math language. So it says we're going to move each of the ordered pairs this amount. So since this negative 2 is by the x value, it means that we're going to move towards the negative direction for the x, so that would be left, left 2, and since y doesn't have a number, it's just going to stay, so up and down 0. So it's just going to go left 2. So each of the dots are going to go left 2, and then they're going to stay. So this is K prime. J prime is here. I prime, my cat, is left 2, so here, I prime. L prime is left 2, so that's here. So then we connect our shape. So just shift it to the left, and then we write down our ordered pairs. So K prime is now at negative 1, 4. L prime is at negative 1, 0. I prime is at 1, 2, and J prime is at 2, 5. So that's how you translate. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to reflect. So reflection is a flip, okay, over an axis or like an equation. So remember, if it says like x equals 2, that's going to be a vertical line. And if it said like y equals 2, then that would be a horizontal line. But these say the axes. So number 5 says a reflection across the y-axis. So the y-axis is right here. So we're going to reflect across the y-axis. So you go, you count to the mirror line and then through the other side the same amount. So like for example, D is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the mirror. So then 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces through the other side is now D prime. C is 1 space from the mirror, so 1 space through the other side is C prime. B, it just stays on the mirror line, so he's B prime. And then E is 1, 2 spaces away, so 1, 2 spaces on the other side is E prime. Then we connect our dots to make our cute little shape, and we write down our ordered pairs. So B did not change, he's still at 0, 0. C is at 1, negative 1. D is at 4, negative 1, and E is at 2, negative 4. This guy, he's a reflection across the x-axis, and the x guy goes this way. So this time we're going to count down to the mirror, so 1 space away, 1 space through, the other side is G prime. H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces away is H prime. I prime is 2 spaces from the mirror, so 2 spaces through the other side is now I prime. Connect your dots and write down your ordered pairs. So G prime is at negative 3, negative 1. I prime is at negative 4, negative 2. And H prime is at negative 2, negative 5. Okay, so that's how you do the reflections and the translations. So I'm going to finish the other two on another video.